In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify Support through email or the Help Center quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, look for the Help or question mark icon usually located near the bottom corner of the screen. Click on it to open the Shopify Help Center. Inside the Help Center, select Contact Support. Shopify may first guide you through help articles or live chat options before giving you the ability to email support directly. When contacting support, clearly explain your issue and include important details like your store name, screenshots, order numbers, or billing information if relevant. This helps the support team solve your problem faster. You can contact Shopify for issues related to billing, payments, themes, apps, orders, domains, or technical support. Before sending your message, double-check your contact email to make sure you receive replies without any issues. Thanks for watching.